Okay guys, welcome back to another session. Okay, and earlier we did 1 hour of the session of backtesting. We'll try to do more today. Okay, and if you have seen the last session, we did around from 10,300 from 3% to we have grown 2.5% account in the last session. Okay, and let's get back to this session again. I'm going to play this session. Okay, and the backtesting software again I'm using is the status casa, and this is for my own consistency, and I'm not enticing anybody to take trades, and I'm not incurring any profits from you. Okay, let's start. And there's so much, just a second guys. Okay, now we are right now over this session. Okay, let's just give me a second, we'll start the session. Okay, done. Now let me just load my layout. So we have to load the layout every time. Okay, make sure you guys save your layout, so all of your otherwise all of your drawings will be wasted. Okay, so make sure to keep this layout now. Okay, so in the last session what we did, we ended our session over here. Okay, and there was a very downside move. You can see this downside long move. Okay, got it. This was basically due to the market opening. Okay, and this was around Friday, Saturday, 14 January 1329, and this was on Monday. Okay, so there was like opening gap, right? And these are the drawings. Let me just go on to the daily time frame. Every time what we are going to do, we are going to go on daily time frame, determine our bias, what is going to happen, and all those things. Okay, भाई काशीनाथ एक बार चेक करना मेरी आवाज़ आ रही कि नहीं. Okay, now let's go on to the daily time frame. Here's our daily time frame. Now we can see a great candle, a great red candle. I'll not say red, this is like dark gray. Okay, so a dark gray candle is there. Let's erase or hide all our drawings to actually see what is actually happening in the price. Okay, see, this was equal lows. As I anticipated, these equal lows should have been taken, and now this got taken by this small dip. But this dip was not enough to actually eat out the price, eat out the sell side liquidities. Okay, so what we did, we have done this another time. We have this downward candle move. Okay, and we are anticipating that the price should move downward to this level also. It should go downward. Okay, we are bearish right now at this point, but now let's see what has happened. Okay, so the price is open downwards. Okay, we can't get anything out of this jargon. Let's go on to like smaller time frame. We know there is a sell side liquidity that can be reached over here. Okay, this is the sell side liquidity that can be reached at this point. Okay, let me just put it over here. Okay, so sell side liquidity on this point. Let's go on to the 4-hour time frame. Now here's a 4-hour time frame. Okay, let's just delete unnecessary drawings. We have to delete it. Okay, this buy side is not useful to me right now. Okay, now this buy side is also not useful to me. Again, is it useful? Should I delete it or not? Let's just keep it like that. Okay, now every time when you're doing something, try to just save it every time. Now let's see what is happening. Okay, so price went below. Okay, it went high again, and then it came back to equilibrium. That's what we anticipated. It should come back to equilibrium. Very good. Now what price did? See, 4-hour time frame. Very good. Now let's see, extend this time downwards. Let's erase this. Should I erase this thing? Okay, let's erase this. No need of this. So price upward moving, it got back to the equilibrium again. Now this and this particular pricing, okay, this downward pricing, then again it reached back to the equilibrium of this downward pricing. Okay, first it reached to the equilibrium of this downward pricing, and then this upward pricing. Okay, got it? I hope you are able to understand what I am saying. So first this swing. Okay, can you see this swing? It's 50% has been reached. Can you see? We only take bodies. Okay, make sure we take bodies. Okay, so 0.5 level has been reached. Now again this particular downward move. Can you see this downward move? This up to down move, the 0.5 level has been reached. Okay, already. Now equilibrium line, there's no necessity to keep this equilibrium line. Let's delete this point. Okay, let's go on to, okay, this sell side level has been taken, so I'll replace this sell side to add to this level. Okay, Now the sell side scenario is this point and the buy side scenario is this point. Okay, what is this unnecessary drawing? Okay, now let me just copy this thing. Okay, now this is our buy side scenario, this is sell side scenario. Okay, see, we want these sell side levels to be taken. Okay, let's see what more we can do. Okay, nobody's in there. Average view duration, use this one. Good. Now let's see, it's up, down, move, then again we got back to now is the point we need to decide whether the price is going to take this high. Okay, these are the highs that can be taken. YouTube is not receiving enough video to maintain. Okay, I think there's some problem happening. I guess not. Okay, let me just it goes down, then I feel like it's a very confident. It goes down, then I feel like it's a very confident scenario. Okay, now the buy side level that I want it to take. Okay, this is Friday 13 January. Okay, we are only trading 13 January till now, only 13. Okay, here's the pricing that I couldn't see. So downward movement because of the opening. Okay, so these sell side levels have been taken now. Okay, so let's not anticipate because these sell side levels are taken. This is taken. Okay, and this is taken. I no need to make this. And the time for the day is right now 3:30. We are going according to the time of. Okay, 1 hour 5 minutes. Should I go to 5 minutes? Okay, 15 minutes is enough. Now let's play the price. It's right now 3:30. Okay, in the Indian time frame. Okay, so according to Indian time frame, if 3:30 is the time, we should wait till 10:30 because at 10:30 the market of the midnight market of New York it opens. Okay, so we'll wait how the structures are going to form on 10:30. Okay, so see, the wick has been formed, but the bodies are still under this sell side liquidity. It means it is trying to go up higher. Okay, to cover up this particular gap. See, there's a gap, right? It should cover that gap. It should take out this buy sell liquidity probably. Okay, let's make it go. Let's see what is going to happen. Okay, if it takes out this buy sell liquidity, I don't think we have any trade to be taken. Okay, but if it doesn't take out this buy sell liquidity and it goes up. Okay, till the midnight. See, right now what is the time right now? 18:15. Okay, this is what, 3:30, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, this is the time. Okay, 16, 17, somewhere around 17. It is still actually going on. Okay, let me put it to 1 minute time frame. Okay, this is the 15-minute time frame. Now this is 19 means 7 p.m. Okay, in the 7 p.m. right now the New York market somehow opens. I want some kind of downward swing so that I can see what is going to happen. Okay, so this buy side level I want it to take out. This buy side level, did it take out? Yes, it did take out. Let me go on to the lower time frames. Okay, these are low time frames. Okay, this buy side level is not taken with a good way, but yeah, I'll just keep it here. Okay, buy side level, so it was this is equal and here it is also equal, so it's not taken and I want it to take this buy side liquidity. Take this buy side liquidity. Okay, it is creating the sell side liquidity also. most of the time, this is Monday, right? So most of the time in Monday, the move doesn't happen that much good, and it has consolidated the whole time. It has not given us any kind of movement, so we are not going to take any kind of trade over this just because of some kind of. Okay, let it go up. Let's see what it is trying to form. Okay, so at 2:30 the New York time, 2:30 midnight of Indian time, the New York will end. Okay. Okay, nice. Then again we have to wait. See, the market of the New York is going to end at 2:30. So the market has ended 2:30 nearly at this point. So it will keep on, okay, generating the sell side liquidity. See, it has engineered sell side liquidity, and can you see it has engineered a buy side liquidity. Okay, okay. There is a break in the sell side liquidity at 4 in the morning in the Asian session. In the Asian session, it has taken a break. UTC plus 530. Okay. Less chances that these things happen in Asian session. Okay. But let's see what is going to happen. Okay, let it go up. See, it's right now at 4 a.m. in the morning, and obviously I won't be woke up at this point of time, so I'm not gonna take any trade. Okay, let it just go through. At least to for a trade to be there, I want it to be till 7:30. Okay, okay, it's going up, right? Let it go up. No, no. So this is at 10:30. I want the structure to be formed at till 10:30. Okay, it is near to buy side liquidity. If it takes this buy side liquidity and breaks down, creates a fair value gap, we will enter into that fair value gap and we'll target these lows. Okay, these sell side liquidities will target. Okay, so because these are taken now, this is the buy side sell side liquidity now. Got it? So these are the sell side liquidities that should be taken once this thing breaks out. Okay, let it take out this high. Okay, it has pierced the high. Okay, good. It has now started to pierce this high. Got it? Just a second, guys. Okay, let it go. I want to go slow. Okay, a very high movement, too much high movement. Okay, so it's a very good piercing of these buy side liquidities. Okay, so sell side got taken. Okay, now at this point of the time in the morning, you couldn't have anticipated anything. Okay, somewhere at 10:30 it started moving, and this somewhere over here before 12:30 it is doing this high movement. Then it means it is setting the stage for coming down. Okay, let's see. I don't know why I feel less confident than yesterday, but let's see what is going to happen. Go on 1 minute time frame to see what is actually happening. Is it forming any kind of structure break? No, we can't say it's a structure break. No, I don't think I should take a trade. Should I take a trade? Think about this. This is a side. This has been taken, but the momentum is not great, so I can't think. Maybe it's just a simple up down. Got it. Let it move forward. I don't think I should take a trade in this one. Okay, the market did break at this point. This is the low that got broken, and it gave us 2 points. Okay, let's see. This is the fair value gap. Yes, Has it been touched again? Yes, it has been touched. If I somehow put an entry short position at the low of this thing, okay, and give my stop loss at the high of this thing, okay, got it. Now let's try to anticipate where the price could go. Possibly the possibility of the price to go, I'll think that at this point, okay, but it can go till this point, okay. To go till this point, how much momentum it needs? Like too much. 1:7 trade, okay. I don't think it's going to take that trade into account or not. I should find one kind of price. Okay, see, this is a high price movement. I should find a realistic session. Okay, this is the swing price high. If this is a high price movement, at least the price should come back to this equilibrium point. Okay, so this equilibrium point is what I anticipate, that at least the price can come till at this point. Then I will look for booking up the profits. Okay, got it. And if I'm open the position, okay, let me just select this thing. I'll open a position and market sell limit. Yes, good. No, not one. See, once I go over 1%, then I'll think about just trading 1% loss. Okay, but right now I'll just take $15. No, $15 is way too less. Like, okay, how much confirmed am I on this thing? How much confirmed am I? See, this is a loss of 1:7 is a trade. Okay, right. And if I make it like here, this is a 1:3.47. So I can take a loss of $40, right? $40 is not that much. I can take a loss of $40. Okay, current balance 42, set limit. Okay, placed it. So now the trade is placed. If the price is going to come near to this point, the trade will be placed. Let's see what happens. It has static current in it. Okay, take it, take this out, take this out, take it, very good. Uh-oh. No, it has came back again. It has engineered. See, now I'm having some little doubt over this thing, because it has created some, what do you call it, equal highs. Okay, and I don't think putting my stop loss over at this point, it's a good idea, because these are equal highs and they have like great chance of being taken out. Right now it's 1341, it means 141, so the London session can be taken out. Let's see. Yeah, that's what I anticipated, that the high, because these are equal highs, surely it is going to be taken out. Leave it. Okay, I think the price is trying to move this particular thing. Okay, there's a large gap in between. Okay, so this large gap is going to attract the price upwards. That's what it is doing. Okay, we are down how much? So $42 loss. It means in the next time we can just take a loss of around 25 maybe. Okay, we have to decrease the stop loss. Money management is also important, guys. Remember this thing. Come back, the price should reach the equilibrium of this thing. Okay, then where should I have taken the trade? See, from upswing to downswing. Okay, this is okay, the price is near to the equilibrium point. Okay, and it is near to the, what do you call it, okay, I should now see the rejection now. I think the price should start rejecting now. Is it okay? Yes, it's okay, because the equilibrium is reached, the order block is there, so it has a high chance of rejecting now. From this point it should reject like this. Okay, from this zone it should reject. Let's see if it rejects from this point or not. Okay, so sell side level taken. This is the recent low, and okay, because last time I didn't see a great low that is being broken with a displacement, So I shouldn't have taken the trade, but still I went in. That is my mistake. I should not repeat this mistake in near future. Okay. Okay, it has started rejecting or not. Let this equal highs to be taken out first. Okay, equal highs got taken out. Now the price should start rejecting. Let's wait for the market structure break. Okay, is this a market structure break? This low is taken out properly. Nearly none of the lows are properly taken out, but this time this low got properly taken out. Okay, it means there is some kind of movement that can be there. Okay, now this is a fair value gap inside this movement, and it is having a good displacement. Then great chances that okay, the price can come back to this level and we can anticipate an entry there. Let's place now. We have to follow our okay, make sure to follow the money management. The money management says we can't take $40 loss. The only loss we can take is $25. That's it. If the price comes back to this level, that's it. Okay, not much. Okay, short position this point, high at this point, and the target let it be like at this point. Maybe it's fine, right? Let me see, because this is the upward price movement. At least it's very definite it should reach to its equilibrium, right? So the equilibrium is lying just okay, just near to this point. Okay, just near to this point. But yeah, this low should be taken out. Once this low gets taken out, I'll start trailing my stop loss so that I can get more and more profit. Okay, and let's go to 1 minute of the time frame. Okay, see if something can be formed. Okay, let's reach at this point, bro. Reach. Okay, now open position, market, sell, market. What is the loss? Can't take loss more than $25 on the current balance. Okay, obviously some kind of market is left. Okay, got it. Now because it has entered this point, let me just see how it will look like on a 15-minute time frame. Okay, 15 minute is not good. Let's see on 10 minute. Yeah, on 10 minute it's looking very good. So you can see a fair value gap. The price went in that fair value gap. Now it should start rejecting at this point. Okay, so $26 and the profit should be nearly at this point. Okay, got it. Now good. Okay, let me go with the 1 minute time frame. Start rejecting, bro. Okay, done for the day. I have taken 2 losses for the day and I am not going to take any trade for the day. Okay, I'll wait for another day to show something which is going to happen. So let it be. I've got a lot to learn, bro. At least this should be reached, right? Let me see what is going to happen. Am I doing something wrong? Think about this. Right now it's what? It's 16:46. It means 4:46. The New York session is yet about to start. Okay, I should have waited for the New York session because see, I didn't watch the price. I should have watched the price. Okay, I was watching the price, but I was not watching the time. This is not a good time of the day. It's 16:53. It means around 5 p.m. 5 p.m. the New York session is not open, but the London skill zone is nearly closed. Okay, so we can't make an entry there, but let's see what is going to happen. Good. Okay, some buy side liberty. Okay, no. Now we can think something's gonna happen, right? Some buy sell level has been taken. Now this buy side is also near, great chance that it will be taken. Okay, so the price, this is the gap that the price opened in. Okay, when there's a large gap in the price rallied upwards. It means it is trying to cover this gap, and it has covered this gap. Let's see if it is willing to take this buy side liquidity also. Okay, so this buy side liquidity has been taken. Okay guys, let's move forward. Okay, I think it's taking great rejection. Okay, show me if it's going to take the higher. Great chance it will take the higher liquidity as well, or otherwise it is going to engineer it. Okay, got taken, yes. Now I can look for short entries. Okay, go up, break it. I want a break, displacement downwards. What's the time right now? It's 9:30. So buy side liquidities are taken. Time is 9:30. New York session is remains till 2:30. I don't think that is some kind of trade which I'm going to find at this time. And it's 9:30. Obviously, I won't be taking any kind of trade after this point. I'll have to wait for another day. Okay, it is going to this thing. Okay, let me just see what it has done on the so great price movement in upward direction, but it's definitely going to take out this buy sell liquidity as well. For sure it is going to take out. Okay, and it is going to reject after it takes out this buy sell liquidity. It should reject from this point to downward level. Then I should anticipate it to go down, otherwise it should not. Okay, so this is one day time frame order block mid value. Okay, these are the buy side liquidities which has been taken. Now this is the buy side liquidity that needs to be taken. Okay, is it going to take that buy side liquidity as well or not? What's the question of the day? I should have focused about this large gap when there is open in the weekly session. When there is a large gap, the price is going to take out that particular gap, because that gap acts as a very high liquidity point. Okay, so yeah, this buy side is taken. Done. Let's wait for this buy side to be taken. At least it should reject from this point, otherwise then I'll have to do something else. It's on 1 hour time frame, right? Let me just go on 5 minutes. Let's wait for a break. After 2:30 it is already going to consolidate. Okay, BSL. This is steep price movement. At least now if it goes to equilibrium, it's going to be very good. Asian session has started. It's 4 AM in Indian time, so obviously this is going to happen. We have to wait till 10:30. This is right now 8:20. Okay, 10:55. 12:30 to 30 Indian time is the London kill zone. want a sell side trade, but it is not showing me a sell side trade. And why is it so? Nor is it showing me any kind of fair value gap where I can take an entry or I can anticipate an entry. No. Okay. There is a downward jerk movement, but is it creating any fair value gap in this downward movement? Yeah, there were fair value gaps that were created in these downward movements, but can I take an entry in this point? No, I can't. These are the equal highs that are formed. Obviously they are going to be taken out if these are equal highs. Well, let's see what I see. Oh, it's going downwards. Can we take an upward entry? Because there are equal highs, then there should be a rejection. At least we can go to this point. Okay. Let's go on smaller time frame. Okay. Can we take? Could have we taken this entry or not? Let's go on 5 minutes. Okay, this is the high that was broken. Could have taken our entry in there. Can we? Okay, let's see. I want it to come down. Okay. I don't know if it is going to come back or not. Let's see on 15-minute hertz showing. Okay, so this was taken. This is the high that was taken, right? And okay, on 15 minute it will be too much stop loss. I don't want to give it that much stop loss. So it's going to be a long entry, yeah, long position. Recent swing downwards is going to be my stop loss, and this high is going to be my target. 1:4.63. Now let's see what we can make. Can we anticipate an entry? Open position. This is going to be limit buy, limit, yes, $20.25. Yes, we can place a trade. Oh shit, we have got to save this thing. I don't know what the hell is this side doing. Okay, let me load the layout. I hope I didn't. I am very glad I didn't buy the pro version of this thing. Um, 5-minute time frame. Let's see if you could do some kind of precise entry in here. I can't. Okay, 5 minutes now. If one of the highs gets taken, I want to see the entry, because buy side liquidity is going to be there. Okay. See, this high got taken. Wait, this high got taken. Is there any fair value gap that has been created by this? While this fair value gap, okay. So this is the point where the market structure shift has happened. So after this is the only fair value gap that I see. Let's make the entry there. Okay, so great momentum. This is the fair value gap that I could see, right? I can't see any other fair value gap, right? I would like to open a position, cancel it. Let me just save it. Okay, long position, entry at this high. Should I take an entry? Yes, I should. And I should put the stop loss at this low. Okay, so let's form an entry. I want to form buy limit side. No, I want to take a 0.25 current balance. Okay, so 25%, 0.25% loss on current balance. I want to make a buy trade limit. Good. I place it. So if the price comes near to that point, my trade will be taken. Otherwise, it will be not. Okay, now it's taken. It's been filled. Good. Keep on moving, bro. You know what? This time I'll wait for this recent swing highs to be taken. Should I wait or not? Because it's a very big question. What's the time of the day? It's 22, so it means it's 10:10. Okay, this buy side at least should have taken. Right now the time is so it gave a second chance for you to take an entry. Okay, after this point, this is the second chance of an entry if you want to take second entry at that point. Okay, should I take an entry there? Second chance. No, I should not. Let it play out. If it takes me out, it takes me out. If it doesn't, it doesn't. There's no point. This trade is going to work. It's going to put me out anyhow because it's out of the time of the day. So I am going to cancel it with the $13 loss itself. I'm not going to take the trade upwards. Should I take the trade upward? Is there any chance? Is there any fair value gap that has not been met before? Okay, before the break, this is the fair value gap that we could have entered in. Okay, and at this point, if it doesn't reverse from this point, then bye bye, tata. Let it take out. If I'm doing a mistake, I should get the word of the mistake. Okay, no trades for the day. Sir, doubt. Again, 212. Maybe it doesn't want to take that high. shouldn't have expected the price to be at that point, because at that time it was 1930. Next moment it is 2030. No way that trade could have been there, because the time of day was not good. Let's see. Maybe the reversal can be at this point. Let me just delete some unnecessary lines. Unnecessary line, again unnecessary point, so side by side level. Okay, upward movement, the price must reach to its equilibrium before doing anything. Let's see it is going to reach the equilibrium or not. To reach the equilibrium, at least it should go to this point. So this is the equilibrium point. Okay, next time I'll see both price and time, because I am down 460. Sometimes maybe the price is teaching me something else. Now the concurrent viewers are 4. Why? Okay, I don't know why there are 4 concurrent viewers who's watching my live stream. If all of you guys, somebody is watching the live stream other than 2 people which I know already, okay, you guys can comment. What's the time right now? It's 4:55. Let it wait for 12 a.m. to see what is going to happen. Okay, I can't really see any good price structure. What's the time right now? It's still 30. So the price swing down, gotten up, took this buy side liquidities. Is it going to take these buy side liquidities? If it takes these buy side liquidities, then we can expect it to come down. Can we accept? Should we accept it to come down or come? Let's see what's going to happen. Okay, 5-minute time frame. What's the time right now? 2:30. Okay, somewhere around this point, around 5:30 the New York market starts. Okay, so 5:30 is around 5, 6, 7, 17:30. So like at this point I want some entry from this session to 5:30 to 19:30, some kind of entry I want. Okay, let's see, is it going to give some entry or not? Okay, let it break that buy side liquidity. Okay, okay, buy side. Now there are 10 concurrent viewers, good. Okay, let the buy side be taken. Now it's 19:30, there is like very lesser chance that something is going to happen. Oh, there is a great downward displacement, and if I expect the price to come into that displacement, okay, and then rally downwards towards this equilibrium point. Okay, I can't expect it to go to this equilibrium point, okay, but at least it can take out these sell side liquidities. So yeah, 1 minute time frame. This is the break in the structure. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Should I take an entry there? Cancel positions. I should keep my stop loss at this point. Wait. Is there any fair value gap in right now over here also? Can I see? Yes, there is a fair value gap, and the price can come into this fair value gap as well. So I will form two entries, one with the smaller loss and one with a greater loss, but a smaller stop loss, okay, but a higher risk to reward ratio. So this one is going to be with a small loss, okay, $20, and a gain will be 60. Again, add this fill at this point. Okay, so let me just put out these two trades. The first trade, it's going to be a normal trade, right? 3 concurrent viewers again, thank you guys for watching. Okay, then downwards, then should be upwards, right? At this point, maybe at this point, yeah, good. I don't want to lose out on $20 more than this, so open position, I'll take out $20 for this loss. Current balance is 20, okay, and limit buy sell place trade, okay. So I'll have placed a limit trade at this point. Now there is a fair value gap on 1 minute at this point also, so a very high chance that the price can come to that fair value gap also, okay. So we can expect the price to be at this point, okay, with a 1:8 trade ratio, okay. And if you take $10 loss at this position, again buy sell limit, but this time I'm just going to take $15, okay, of loss on this trade. So there are two limit entries that have been placed with the same, what you call it. And by the way, this particular low didn't take out these lows. It means some sell side liquidity has been what you call it, engineered, okay. So it has fall down, fair value gap created, the entry should be in this point, okay. And let's wait. If it's going to take out this high as well, this particular fair value gap as well, then I'm good to go. Otherwise no, okay. Let's see. Oh, it just missed this particular entry level, it just missed. But anyways, let's start. Hey, it's generating buy side liquidities. Am I going to be stopped out? No. Okay, we have been continuously taking loss, okay. The loss streaks are going on. There's something wrong with me today, I guess. Am I doing things wrong or not? Think about this, what you are doing wrong. Let me just delete this. Should I analyze again? But anyways, I have to keep going. Doesn't matter the amount of losses I get. Because it's backtesting, it is generating buy side liquidities. When it fell down at 19. 19 is not a good time because 19 is 7:30. So it's the end of 7:30. Could I have taken a trade on this one? So when the market fell, notice it's 19, not 19:30. Could have taken entry. Okay, it means this particular stop loss is like okay, it has been taken, it's okay. Anyways, so buy side liquidity is there. I'll wait for the buy side liquidity to be taken. Okay, and then the sell side liquidity is to be taken. Let it take out the buy side liquidity first. Okay, buy side liquidity has been taken. Now go to 1 minute time frame. I want to be very specific about this time. Okay, I don't want it to rally upwards. Wait. So this is a low which is been broken, right? No, I can't take it to be like this. I can't take an entry here. Not able to receive such a good price movement. Okay, can be taken by entry, but these are sell side liquidities. Okay. Market such a big price got back to down to that level. What's the time right now? It's 12. Okay, at 12 the market went up high, then it came down. It is trying to manipulate the people into thinking, okay, if I can go with a very small position, this buy side liquidities, I want it to be taken out. Up and down, up, down. And buy side liquidities can be taken out. Yes, there are good chances. So I can take an entry, right? buy side way. The stop loss is going to be way too much near, and the target is going to beat this buy side liquidities. That's it. I just want it to be near to that buy side liquidity, not exactly equal. Yeah, so it's how much? It's 1:12. Okay, let's take a trade. Open position, buy market. I'll take a $25 of loss. Okay, so buy market 0.25, current balance, place trade. Correct. Let me just save this up. Every time I'll take a trade, I'll try to save it, and I got stopped out as usual. What's the time right now? 13:13. Not a good choice. Am I really knowing what my daily bias is, or am I just trading with out of fear? Let it. I'll just complete today's trading. Okay, I'll see it, but this session was way too much losses. Way too much. It was 20, 20, 20, 19, 17, 17. Okay, I think I should stop backtesting for the day, because I'm receiving a lot of losses right now. Okay, so I'll stop my backtesting over here, and I feel like this session was like all losses. So there's something wrong with the psychology today, I guess. That's why I'm stopping it early, and I'll come back with a fresh psychology the next time. Okay, and obviously you were not right today. Okay, Abhay, yeah, I watched you. Concurrent viewers are 4. Guys, before I go, I just want to know who are these 4 viewers. I know 2 of them. Which 2 are others? Sir, loss. Okay. Who's the 4th viewer? One's Unati, one is Prasham, one is Abhay, another one, I don't know who the other is. If that person is listening me, just answer it. Okay, there are 5 concrete viewers. Somebody is there, just answer me. Okay, otherwise I need to end the session. Okay, Kavin, you are there. Okay, got it. So this particular session we were profitable, as you can see, right? 190 plus 64, last time we were profitable around $250, but eventually we are right now in the loss. Okay, but somehow using the money management we have not been losing the profit that we get. We are still $100 up than previous one. Okay, so even after losing around 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trades, we are just still up. Okay, the psychology, I don't think it's good right now. That's why I'm stopping the trade right now over here, because if I just keep moving with this momentum, I don't think I'll be able to do right. Okay, we'll come back with another session in the next way. Okay, and let me just read you out the disclaimer which I want to tell you, okay, before I move ahead. Okay, and the disclaimer is I'm not a professional trader. Okay, and this channel is solely for education and entertainment purpose. The content shared in these live sessions reflects my personal journey, experience, and backtesting of trading strategies. These live sessions are for increasing my own productivity and consistency. This is not financial advice or trading guidance. I'm not responsible for any decisions you make. I'm not a professional trader, and this channel is solely for education and entertainment purpose. The content shared in these live sessions reflects my personal journey, experience, and the backtesting of trading strategies. Please note, this is not a financial advice. Do not take trades on what you see here. I'm not responsible for any trading decisions or financial losses you may incur. Okay, till then, see ya, bye bye, have a nice day, just keep backtesting. Okay, bye.